What's good with y'all? What's good? Y'all can see by the thumbnail, Dolo is about to leave again. Time for him to go, man. He came to the house for a second. I did everything I had to do. So now I got my boy Jerome coming to pick it up. We're finna grab this thing. I'm about to go ahead and take the cover off. Y'all see we be having all these cars in the way, so I'm probably gonna roll it down. Well, he'll be able to get by there. But I'm finna take the cover off and stuff, man. He on the way. About to get it loaded up on the roll back. Then we headed to Joe Buddy Racing. I'm probably gonna ride down there, see what he got going on. And might be him calling right now. Nah, it ain't. But yeah, we finna do that. Then like I said, we probably gonna hit the Joe Buddy Racing today. Hopefully we be messing with the motor or something. See what he got going on, see what's the update on all the cars. So let me do that. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we got it uncovered. Y'all see my boy pulling up, Jerome. Number on the screen, man. Y'all hit him up. Y'all need any towing in Georgia. Like I said, he'll get you right. So we about to get this thing loaded up. And it's gonna be headed to Joe Buddy Racing. So like I said, y'all need any towing, hit him up. Number on the screen, man. He do a good job. Y'all know I use the same people for all my stuff. So we about to get that bad boy loaded up, and then I'm probably gonna get to the shop in a little bit, y'all, and we're gonna see what Aunt got going on. So y'all stay tuned. So we're getting it loaded up. Said y'all about to be go time. When they come back home this time, we're gonna have oil pressure. I'll be driving the next time. I'm gonna drive it home and come back next time. So said we got all the tests still done, all the brakes, all that stuff. You been keeping up with the bill. It might be your first video you seeing, but y'all know everything done. We ready to go now. We're ready to go. That bad boy low, boy. That thing low. Yes, indeed. We up there. We are up there, though. Going back to the shop. So I catch y'all at Joe Buddy Racing in a minute on the next clip. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned in to the video. Alright, y'all see I made it to the shop. Finally, man, I had to handle some stuff at the house and all that. Stop by AutoZone. Well, y'all know all this stuff from the house. I've been had there. I just had to bring it, so you know that stuff needed to crank the car. But I had to bring it to the house, from the house, the wastegate. Cause like I said, we switching the kit over, and I just thought about it. I said I ain't had a wastegate down here, so did the wastegate. You know, it been prepped. So you been following the video. You saw this in an earlier video. We prepped it for the CO2, but the flange smaller than the kit that's on my car now, cause it's a custom fab. And I got these. I just picked these up today. Called these the exhaust manifold gasket. Cause they don't come with the HURON speed kit. So in the regular gaskets will work, man. You don't need nothing special for the exhaust manifold gasket. These Fail Pros should do the job. Just make sure you got your bolts tight and all that. You'll be good. All right. So y'all see Dolo has made it to the shop. So shouldn't be too much longer now. Like I said, we ready to drop it on down in there. I see Aunt working, getting another one in there. About to do an engine install. Y'all probably check that out on his channel. But yeah, man, seeing this car right here where I can back up, I really see how low it is. That bad boy went down a lot. And somebody asked a question like, with sitting the engine in there, how much I think it's gonna go down. I don't think it's gonna go down a whole lot, cause it got heavy duty springs in the front too. So I don't think it's gonna go down a whole lot. But I do feel like I'm probably gonna have a problem with them 8s. with as low as it's sitting. So I kind of feel I'm probably gonna have to change the springs and go to a different spring, cause it's so low, man. Like I can't see it. I can't see it working, man. It's super low, and that's how it's gonna sit. Like it's cause of the drag shots, and it got true stock Capri springs on it. I'm talking about true factory springs, and if you saw these cars from the factory, they sit pretty low, and they got, well, some of them come with 14-inch wheels and stuff on them, so they sit pretty low. But yeah, that's it. So we finna go in here and see what's happening. Yeah, y'all see another one of these clean bikes stay pulling up over here. Then my buddy Mark bike just did this stuff too. Got the wheel on there. Music sound real good. Y'all know we can't turn the music on, we get copyright, but this thing here is clean. Just came back from South Carolina. It's nice too. Especially that wheel, boy. I like that wheel. So yeah, showing my buddy Mark some love. He always support the video. Been knowing each other a long time. Like clean. Got some paint on it too. Alright, y'all. So I'm checking in over here. We still over here at Joe Buddy Racing. My bro Scotty, what year they call Scotty? 78 Dolo. I want y'all to see it now, cause I know y'all gonna see it again in a video. Cause when I say like real OG, where I'm from and all that, and I had so many clean whips. I'm talking about clean whips. Like this a real OG from my hometown. So you know, it's a must to show respect and show love. Solid too. So yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see the coupe back there, Tudo. And I want y'all to get a good look at it now, cause when I say, man, he put some cars together. I'm telling you seriously, he done put some cars together. This car gonna look totally different when he get finished with it. So y'all see big block. So hey, if you keep up with all the vlogs, when you see it, you're gonna be like, alright, yeah, they're crazy. He flipped that car, but yeah, like y'all see, it's a real solid car and all that. So yeah, I'm just showing love, everything that pull up over here, man. So y'all stay tuned in. Gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so I came over here to the other side. Since I'm over here at Joe Buddy Racing, I'm gonna show y'all everything he got going on. Some stuff y'all probably see on his vlog. You got a photo right here. I don't know where this one came from, but like I said, you got a photo over here. Like I said, about to put some work in. I don't know exactly what's getting done, but looking at the parts, I guess a motor. I guess about to put a motor in this one. Like I said, this is a new one. Aunt told me to come over here and check it out. And so you got that going on. You got a little something on the floor right here. So can't tell y'all what's the plans for that, but it's on motor and all that. But we got all this going on, and like I said, I'm just showing y'all this and all that. Like I said, I don't know what the plans is for it, but got a nice little photo over here. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned in, and I'm gonna catch y'all on that clip. Man, I had to come look at this car one more time before I get ready to ride out, y'all. That interior is, ooh, that interior set this car off, man. Y'all can't tell me this didn't look good. I don't forget who that was. Somebody said new car interior swaps is played out, man. Not in my eye, cause this thing right here is clean, boy. Hey, look, everything ain't buttoned up. Like I said, you got this. I ain't got it all tight yet, cause the seats gotta come back up. They gotta be, the carpet gonna have to be drilled, like, you know, for the studs come through and stuff. But I'm gonna take it to somebody and do that. This really was a rough draft. It was just a rough draft to show y'all how it gonna look. Cause I'm gonna actually take it. Y'all see my little part hanging down. I'm gonna take it to somebody and pay them, man, to do this stuff. Like, cause this was a job. I would never do this. I really did this for y'all. I really would have just took this to somebody. Y'all see the interior pieces they painted. I still gotta put them back on, but I'ma literally take the car somewhere. See, like, look, the carpet slid, gotta be slid back some and all that. It just in there, just kind of laid in there. But I'ma take this to somebody, and when I get it back, these seats gonna be fitting here the right way. All that, they're gonna be fitting here the right way. The deck, wide down here, the deck about to get cut. I'm gonna do a video on that. Like I said, So Alex gonna do that. But like I said, man, I had to look at it one more time, man. This thing is nice. It's nice with the interior in it. Even with the door panel painted black. Like I said, it did it better. Little stuff like this. Like I said, I'm gonna get somebody to get this tight. And when I take it, I'm probably gonna let them do the door molding and stuff, weather stripping too, see. Cause you'll hear all that wind coming in here. We ain't having that. But like I said, I got this stuff on the way. I got all this on the way. But yeah, man. It's time to move on to phase 2. Like I said, Dolo, everything straight. Fender well, inner fender painted. All that good stuff. Y'all see them pretty red caliper back all through there and all that. So yeah, we in the game. So I guess I'm gonna slide over here. Show y'all one more clip. And then we're gonna be out this thing. Yeah, y'all see it. So since it's just a general day, showing y'all everything going on. Like I said, going to work. This next thing, about to drop the motor in. I ain't gonna show it motor, none of that, man. Cool guy. I met him. I can't remember when. I don't think we said each other's name, but well, he know me, but I don't think I got his name. But cool guy, man. Like I said, nice car, SS. I'm about to get him running very quickly. Say I don't show nobody motor if they don't want to, you know, just out of respect. So, but yeah, they're coming out, put stuff together. Y'all see John Jones? He finna put the tires back on John Jones. Y'all see the caliper back on, so he about to put the tires on John Jones. He gonna put the hard tire back on. Then we're gonna move this off of this lift and turn around, cause you know to put the kit on, you gotta take the front off. You gotta take the front nose off. So he gonna take the front nose off and get the kit put on there and all that. But that's what he got going on right now. They're coming. So then after that, like I said, he gonna get this running pretty quick. And I don't know, man. He just working on some everything. Y'all see the Chevy over on the lift. So it's just a little everything getting worked on right now, y'all. But yeah, that John Jones, y'all been asking about it. I had to bring the wastegate over here, as I showed y'all earlier, and all of that. And motor about to go back, and I said go back. Motor about to get ready to go in Dolo. Y'all see the parts pile right there. We got everything, headers, pulleys. Cause there might be some people for a video they saying we got the intake. I had the chain starter, man, alternator. When I say all Unc gotta do is come over to the pile and grab some, boom, that's it. Like this just make it easy, man. When you bring your stuff, you just make it easy on the builder. I mean, I can tell you that. If you just bring everything you need, it makes stuff a whole lot easier. So when I get something built, that's what I do. I just bring everything, man. I mean, make it easy. Down to the bolts. Cause I don't like people to have to look for nothing. So I just bring the bolts, like piece by piece. So you just go over there to my pile, just boom, 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 boom. Make the whole process easier. So yeah, that's it, man. That's what we got going on. Quick little update. What else? Like I said, we gotta get Dolo. We're gonna get Dolo in the shop and get ready. Phone blowing up. And meat. Man, look, man. Some folk probably already knew it was coming with meat or whatever. Like I've been dropping the series on meat, but we coming, man. Meat's about to crank up within the next 2 weeks. So definitely stay tuned in, man. We're gonna have episodes coming on meat. They're gonna crank up very fast. I'm gonna have to go get the exhaust. Well, you know what? I actually got some exhaust up there. I got pipes up there that came with Dolo when I first bought it. I got a whole exhaust system came out of box Chevy. The only thing about it, ain't probably work, man. Cause I wanted to have 2.5 inch exhaust going on meats, but the motor that's going in meats really don't need 2.5 inch exhaust. I mean, I'm gonna keep it real. It really don't need 2.5 inch exhaust. And I got a plan. I can't tell y'all just yet, but cheapskate, all right. Where my motor at? Right here. Okay. This cheapskate motor. This motor came out the truck, right? S10 got the little cam in and all that good stuff. So I got 2 blocks. I got Dolo and I got this. So what I'm about to do is take this to the machine shop. I'm about to take this apart. It's going to the machine shop. What I'm gonna do with it, y'all gonna have to see. But I'm just telling you now, if people that die hard and follow this stuff, y'all gonna know what's going on later down the line. But I'm just telling you now. Nobody probably ain't even gonna ever be able to guess too. And no, I give you a hint, it's not going in wifey car. I got something else. We got something else planned for that. That's about to be in motion. But I'm about to take this to the machine shop. And yeah, so I'm gonna make some stuff happen. I had to pause, man. I'm gonna make some stuff happen. So I'm trying to make sure I ain't leaving out nothing. I don't think I'm leaving out nothing. But that's it, man. Just a general video. I hope y'all been enjoying everything, man. I'm really cooking up for y'all, man. I'm working on 3 whips at the same time, basically. We got John Jones getting stuff done. I'm making changes to 3 whips at a time, man. Like, I'm making it happen, man. John Jones getting a new kit put on. Dolo getting the motor getting ready to put in. Big Meats getting the motor and transmission getting put in. I'm about to probably find some wheels for Big Meats. Spill the bean. I'm about to put some wheels on Big Meats probably. It's some of everything cooking, man. But I'm like, now's the time to get it going, you know what I'm saying, and just keep it rolling. Cause when I have all 3 of them running at the same time, I'm gonna give y'all just straight action content, man. It's gonna be going down. Still gonna be teaching folk, getting y'all the game on stuff and all of that. So I don't know, man. Just stay tuned. We got a lot coming. We finna get some stuff happening with wifey car. Stuff might be already happening. Y'all see I made moves on meat, and I just didn't say nothing, but I was like, I'm finna be at a standstill video, so I might as well give y'all the meats video now and give y'all something to keep watching. So, but other than that, man, I appreciate y'all. I've been reading all the comments. Everybody showing love, man. Much love to everybody. I appreciate y'all help when I'm asking questions on the bill to help out. And yeah, man, I listen to y'all too. Like I said, that's why I said go ahead and get meats running. But other than that, I think that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Catch y'all next. I'm out.